Attention class, I'd like you to welcome a new student joining us for today's field trip to Metroplex. This is Sari Sundak.
Judging from the residue on the soles of your shoes, I can deduce you are not a native to Iacon, perhaps an exchange student from one of the Tripeninsular tourist states. Protex or Praxis.
Try Earth, Sherlock.
So, what are all these fiber optics on top of your head about, eh?
It's called hair.
Ew! That is so gross!
You're gross.
Use your inside voice, Siren.
But we're still outside!
The Metroplex is in the center of our Cybertronian government, as well as our science guilds and intelligence division. It also houses an infirmary, where I myself spent many stellar cycles after my memory had been wiped by... Oh, but you probably don't want to hear old war stories.
So, what's in the sack, eh?
Judging from the color and consistency, it's clearly some form of exhaust port degreaser.
Actually, it's takeoff from Burgerbot. My dad sent it from Earth through the space bridge. The best part is, you can only get this stuff in Detroit.
Ew! You're going to ingest that? In your vocal processor?
Inside voice, Siren.
Sorry! I'm sorry.
This is the Cybertronian Intelligence Division. Normally, civilians don't have access to this area, but as a former intel agent myself, I was able to pull a few circuits.
Oh! Ew! Gross!
Wasn't me.
Then how come I can smell the disgusting red liquid coming from your vocal processor?
Yeah, what do you think we are? Bunch of newfies?
Whoa!
Ow. Ow, ow, ow.
Hello? Is anyone there? I can't see a thing. What happened to me? The last thing I remember, I was running away from Long Arm Prime, who was trying to kill me, although I have my suspicions that he was really a Decepticon double agent named Shockwave, who was merely pretending to be Long Arm Prime, assuming Long Arm Prime ever really existed.
Who's saying that?
My name is Blurr, and I'm the fastest Autobot there is, or I was before I got compressed into this cube of scrap metal. I'm an Autobot intelligence agent sent to Earth by the Elite Guard to keep an optic on Optimus Prime, and ended up helping his crew thwart an attempt by Megatron to activate a space bridge and stage a sneak attack on Cybertron. I was inadvertently teleported to a remote sector with a pair of Starscream's clones, but escaped them and returned to Cybertron to warn Long Arm Prime of a Decepticon double agent named Shockwave in their midst. And now that I say it out loud, though, I realize Long Arm Prime was the Decepticon double agent.
Right. Let's find a way out of here. Before you try explaining more things. Come on, tech-savvy skills. Don't fail me now. Oops.
2, 3... where is Sari?
Yeah, maybe she went out to the washroom, eh?
God, I hope she's washing off that disgusting burger. I mean, how does an organic cow transform into that thing?
I understand it transforms into something even worse inside of her.
Sari's disappearance is a mystery to be solved. We just need to search for clues, interrogate witnesses, beat the confessions out of snitches.
We will do no such thing, young bot.
Killjoy.
Intruder recycling!
Now that sounds like a clue.
Clearly, we have landed in the Central Cybertronian Recycling Plant, a facility that was utilized extensively during the Great War between the Autobots and Decepticons, for which a constant supply of scrap metal was an essential component of the ongoing defense efforts. Fortunately, this center has been non-operational since our hard-fought victory against the ruthless fanatical Decepticons, obviating the need to slash, hack, crush, pulverize, scorch, melt, or otherwise mutilate discarded cybernetic components such as ourselves.
You were saying?
Been there, done that, and I can tell you from personal experience that I do not recommend it in the least, nor do I wish to add it to my ongoing list of indignities by being melted down into molten metal by the supernova-level heat emanating from that upcoming smelting furnace directly in our path.
What happened here?
Well, I was unwittingly disposed of here and left for dead by Cliffjumper at the behest of Long Arm Prime, who, in reality, was a Decepticon double agent Shockwave, after which nothing much happened for a very long time, the remainder of Season 3 to be precise, until this techno-organic unit quite literally stumbled upon me and reignited my spark through convenient plot device she still carries within her, also bringing to life a mischievous being of pure energy, who sabotaged this recycling facility and attempted to lead us to an untimely demise.
Maniacal being of pure energy? You must mean Kremzeek. I remember it from my Intel days. It's an old Decepticon Trojan horse program, designed to sabotage cybernetic systems, capable of jumping from unit to unit if it's not contained.
Hey guys, I think whoever it was is gone now. I don't sense any more energy from the machine.
I, Kremzeek, am now in control of this Autobot shell!
Never mind.
Fortress Maximus is a Cybertronian defense hub. If Kremzeek gets in there, he could destroy all of Cybertron.
I must get to Fortress Maximus now!
Since when can you fight like that?
Oh, these blades. They were a gift from Ratchet. He was trying to make pointers for my lectures, but he got a little carried away.
Nothing will stop Ramsey from reaching Fortress Maximus!
So how about a deuce of my foam, eh? That didn't feel good. Yeah, that's a bummer, eh? We'll never catch Kremzeek in time, eh?
We have to and we will.
Oh, take off, sorry. We need like the fastest Autobot there is to catch up now, eh?
The fastest Autobot there is, huh?
How is this even possible? I mean, even given Sari's Season 3 upgrade may have given her increased strength, although it was never explicitly stated, the sheer size comparison between RC and Sari and the added burden of carrying me in cube form on her back would make it extremely cumbersome to run, or energy blade skate as the case may be, at such velocity for any continuous duration, thus stretching credibility even beyond the normal levels of this series.
Oh, hush up. We have real problems to deal with.
Jumping gyros! Now that's what I call fast!
If I didn't know better, I'd say it was a blue version of you.
Alright, you want to take Avalon Boulevard, past Macadam's old oil house, duck into the alley behind Aranus Way, cut to the Cyber Ninja Dojo to Dole Roar Spaceport.
No, you'll want to avoid all that construction at Dole Railer. Take a detour through the underground tunnels, then you'll bypass Tripticon Prison, come up at the Space Bridge Nexus, and cut through the Autobot Boot Camp.
Autobot Boot Camp has been shut down since the last wave of Protoform recruits graduated, which you'd know if you hadn't spent the final wave of the Great War in a memory-wiped coma, thanks to your Metabot boyfriend.
First of all, he's not my boyfriend. Second of all, do you want to see the end of this animation or not?
It appears that my failsafe Kremzeek program has activated and is set on a course to destroy all of Cybertron.
Why would you create such a foolish program?
We weren't supposed to be on Cybertron when it was implemented. Now there's nothing any of us can do to shut it down.
And you were supposed to be the smart one. Jetfire, Jetstorm, where's that Is that my lunch?
Why is enormous photon pulse cannon to be activated?
And why is enormous photon pulse cannon to be aiming at City of Icon?
And how did you get past security?
We took a detour through the underground tunnels and then...
Not now, Blurr.
Sorry, don't. Kremzeek can jump into any cybernetic system. We need to find something to contain Kremzeek.
Like this empty bottle of fake old red bot pop?
Now, class, what do we have to say to Sari for using her wits and bravery to save the day?
Baby beans and pure energy to use soda bottles is gross!
Yeah, some hockey and backpicking, eh?
We've learned to respect our differences and not judge a data track by its techno-organic cover.
I'm finally free to become a regular featured player just in time for Season 4. What do you mean there's no Season 4? Of course this is Season 4. Transformers is back on Cartoon Network, isn't it? Robots in Disguise. Wait, haven't they already used that name twice? Never mind, get my agent on the phone. I want a recurring. A stunt cast and guest shot? A mention in passing? Maybe I should go into voice directing. What do you think? Anyone? No?